Audible? All right, thank you. Good evening once again. A very warm welcome to all of you to IPSR. Thank you all for applying and attending this onboarding session for the YAN Internship program. This is an AI integrated virtual internship in digital marketing under your Atmanirbhar, that's the YAN project. This is offered as CSR project and as part of IPSR's 25th Jubilee year celebration. Now, today's agenda is going to be first the introduction by the CEO, followed by the details of the YAN project itself by your digital marketing team lead. Now, the key takeaways for this meeting will be to get an overview of this 1 month internship program that covers key areas such as social media marketing, content marketing, influencer marketing, and more. Detailed introduction to the LMS platform that will be used during the internship, including video tutorials, tasks, assignments, and certification. Explanation of the YAN workflow, including live sessions about weekly interactive sessions with experts and technical support. What is digital marketing and an understanding of the various digital marketing types, career opportunities in digital marketing, and real life success story of IPSR YAN internship alumni. Now, my name is Sujin Jacob George. I'm working as Global Relations Manager with IPSR Solutions Limited, and I will be the event moderator. Now, you can also alternatively attend this session through the YouTube live streaming, which is available through the link that I've already put in the chat. Okay, it's there in the chat. You can access that to alternatively join in YouTube. Now, about IPSR. IPSR is led by a team of academicians and entrepreneurs. IPSR is a public limited IT company with 25 plus years of expertise in software product development, training services, placement services, and web-based services. During the last 2 decades, IPSR has worked with over 500 academic organizations, including government universities, autonomous colleges, technical and non-technical institutions. IPSR's training divisions conduct faculty development trainings, seminars, workshops, add-on courses, corporate training, job-oriented training, etc. In the education, IT, and ITES domain, IPSR was the training partner for the Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, that is TECH IP, a World Bank-assisted project executed in government engineering colleges by the Indian Ministry of HRD. IPSR is the world's leading Red Hat training and certification partner with 37 national and international awards and produced the highest number of Red Hat professionals in the world. So far, IPSR has trained candidates from 60 plus countries. IPSR's IT service division is a pioneer in development of academic solution products, incorporating cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning. IPSR offers specialized services and solutions for the education sector, ranging from simple website to complex software applications that help to manage academic and operational activities like question paper generation, campus automation, accreditation process, NAC, NBA, etc., OBE, outcome-based education, etc. IPSR's placement division has 1,600 plus placement tie-up companies and are conducting recruitment on all days. Now, before we move on to all the sessions, if you could all turn on your videos for 30 seconds, we would like to take a screenshot for our documentation purpose. Yes, please turn on your videos for a few seconds. We would like to take a screenshot for our documentation purpose. All right. Uh, we will move on to the first session, that is going to be the introduction to YAN. This is going to be delivered by Dr. Mendes Jacob, who's an MSc, MPhil, PhD, and he is MD and CEO of ipsr Solutions Limited. He's the director of Valiant Technologies UK, US, and Canada. He's a professor and director of MCA, Marine College Kutikanam Autonomous. Now, Dr. Mendes Jacob is a PhD in operations research. He's an academic and entrepreneur with over 35 years of experience. He's the former director of the School of Applicable Mathematics at MG University and a member of various academic and administrative bodies across universities and autonomous institutions. As CEO of ipsr Solutions Limited, he supports higher education institutions in implementing outcome-based education and innovative teaching, learning, and assessment strategies, with active involvement in national and international seminars, publications, and policy development. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sijin, for the introduction. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Thank you. Good evening and welcome to this introduction section on the internship program on data marketing. Just share my slide. My screen is also visible.
Yes, visible.
Thank you. As mentioned by Sijin, this is actually one of our CSR projects. We are celebrating our jubilee year, and I will just go through the vision and mission of this program. This is actually an internship program covering around 25,000 students all over India. We started in 2 years before, and many batches have already completed. And our mission is very simple. We are partnering with the institutions, especially education institutions, where we provide students with the skills and confidence for employability. We are helping students discover their strengths and opportunities in digital marketing, support students with virtual internship and part-time job opportunities for practical learning. So this is one of the areas which is booming. So already, I think most of you have already known, already familiar with this particular domain. And what are the key benefits of this program? We call it a YAN, that is Yuva Atmanirbhar project. YAN while you learn, there are chances we can work as a part-time employee of a or part-time digital marketing executive of a particular company. So there are remote opportunities like you can apply your digital marketing skills globally and work from anywhere. That is the advantage. Multiple income streams are there. Like you can monetize platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter through ad revenues. Sponsorships means you can be an influencer, product or service promotions. And there's a opportunity for personal growth also, like a confidence building as part of your this internship program. You can develop communication skills, problem solve skills, creative and critical thinking skills. These are actually known as the 21st century skills. Creativity enhancement. When we engage in innovative storytelling or content creation, social media marketing, definitely your creativity also will be upgraded. And this is the roadmap. There is an orientation session. Today we have the orientation session. Then in between, you can have live strategy sessions with experts. Then a hands-on task and assessments provided through a learning management system so that you can complete it in your own time. And after completing the entire program, you'll get a certification. And how this will work. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a 1-month digital marketing internship program. You'll get a certificate after completion of the program. There are hands-on tasks and assignments through an online portal. Master Social Media Marketing with practical experience. Top performers receive an exclusive appreciation certificate in addition to the internship certificate. So once if you are a topper, definitely toppers will get another certificate, that is an appreciation certificate that you can showcase in your profile. Exclusive learning opportunities for top performers, exciting gifts and prizes for outstanding achievers, affiliate opportunities with ipsr and partner companies, career guidance and placement support. Then how to develop self-sustainable skills. Learn the basics of social media marketing and affiliate marketing along with internship. As I mentioned earlier, we have a learning management system. There are some of the videos are already provided so that you can go through the videos, and a lot of content is also available. You can gain hands-on experience in digital marketing by involving in the promotional activities of ipsr and other companies. Master advanced modules of digital marketing in the second and third level of internship. That depends on your performance. So after completion of the first month, you will get opportunity for further studies or further doing internship for the second and third month. And what is the earning opportunity? Be a digital marketing professional, be an influencer and start earning a reasonable income. So once you are an influencer, definitely you can have a part-time job along with your studies also. Make money online through recommended platforms and websites, which will be introduced during this internship program. Gain incentives through affiliate marketing of many products and services. This is our team. We have Dr. Suresh Nambudiri, is also a director of ipsr. He's a former chief operating of Tata Motors. There is a section on generative AI by Dr. Suresh Nambudiri. Has already published many books on AI. We have Dr. Sunil Chop, is an expert in the data analysis, data analysis and visualization area. Dr. Brijesh George is a YouTuber and more than 800K followers at the YouTube. He's a career expert also. And we have a LinkedIn expert. Then we have Ms. Smita Thomas, is a branding expert having more than 25 years experience. So we have experienced people for as mentors for this program. Some examples I have taken from the internet. I think you already come up across with some influencers like Hansika Krishna. Follower count is 1.3 million on Instagram. So there is the engagement rate and average likes. All these informations are available. So she is an influencer making a lot of money. We have Sanjit Shokin, then Ashna Shroff, Ranveer Alabadia. All these people, they are all influencers, young influencers, and they are actually making money out of their passion. Actually, they are brand ambassadors of many non-brands. These are for homemakers, actually, from Kerala. There was an article about them in one of the Malayalam magazine, and they are earning more than 25,000 per month, and they consider this as a part-time job and working from home only. They are also influencers. So there are a lot of chances for students who are interested in this and who have passion about data marketing or social media marketing. And since you are one of our interns, you are doing internship at ipsr, I'll give you some idea about ipsr. It is a public limited company operating from India, UK, US, and Canada. And we are actually celebrating our Jubilee year. We are into consultancy, software development, training, placements, and data marketing services. Our mission is transforming education to empower students and educators through innovative IT and academic mentorship, impacting millions and building brighter futures. So over the years, ipsr has supported more than 1 lakh students for supporting them, mentored or more than 1 lakh students, and they are in the IT domain. And we have 40 plus national and international awards. We are also having a training division where we offer 25 plus courses. We have students from more than 60 countries. We have provided internship to more than 10,000 students. We have tied up with more than 500 education institutions. These are our products, especially now we are focusing on artificial intelligence, and we have some platforms like questionpaper.ai, Vijnana, UN Smart AI. All these are AI products being used by universities and colleges, reputed colleges. And in the training division, we are focusing more on the open source earlier. Nowadays, we are focusing on artificial intelligence also. We are the second partner of Red Hat in India in 2003. Conducted first RHE exam in Kerala in 2003 with 9 students. And we have received National Award in 2004, Asia Pacific Award in 2009. And by 2014, we have produced the highest number of Red Hat professionals in the world. And we have bagged 37 awards from Red Hat. We have trained 60 plus students from 60 plus countries. And we have produced the youngest Red Hat certified engineer in the world at the age of 11. Youngest Red Hat certified security specialist at the age of 13, youngest Red Hat certified architect at the age of 18. And we have supported many students, especially with back purpose or career gaps. And with the non-IT students, we supported many non-IT students to acquire the job in the IT companies. Students from physiotherapy, students from commerce, nursing background, BA literature or BA Malayalam, hotel management. So many students we are supported and they are working in top IT companies nowadays. These are some examples, recent success stories like MA English literature student is now a data analyst. MSc biochemistry student is a data analyst like this. We have many such stories like that. I have just gone through some of them. You can see IT fitter to cloud professional, civil engineer to cloud professional, BCom to cloud professional. All these are some such stories. Recent such stories, and a lot of such stories are there in our website. Okay. So some of our Jubilee year initiatives, we have scholarships for to deserving students. We have webinar series in emerging technologies, add-on courses in higher education institutions aligned with industry demands, and internship to connect the academy with industry. This is one of our CSR initiatives, as I mentioned earlier, the digital marketing internship. It's a 100% scholarship program. The program is completely free and you can learn a lot of things along with the internship. This is another scholarship program. This is a 100% scholarship program. One of the technologies that is a Red Hat technologies like automation or a cloud DevOps. If you're looking for a job in that area, we are providing 100% scholarship to students who are having a Red Hat Academy in the college. So we can have a MOU with the Red Hat and we will provide the training. Another program is a AI internship program. I already completed 2 batches. This year only we started this AI internship program. As I mentioned earlier, we are an AI company. So we have the expertise and we are supporting some students who are interested in artificial intelligence. So there is an add-on course along with an internship. So we are charging a minimal registration fee for the add-on course, plus we can do the internship free of cost. So the next internship batches are, you can visit our website for the next batches. This is an AIM and MNC program where we support students for finding a job in the multinational companies. We have a lot of students placed in MNCs like HP, Alliance, IBM, Red Hat, etc. This is again a scholarship program. Those who have joined our IT Vinicius pool, we select some of the students and support them for a career in the multinational companies. Again, there are many other initiatives coming up. There is a hackathon, which we also conduct in colleges, empowering innovators, Red Hat powered cloud and DevOps challenges. This is a 30-hour program where we call it Industry on Campus program. So 30 hours, you'll be working on projects so that you'll be thorough with the cloud DevOps and security areas. And we are also planning for an AI hackathon, which will be announced in the coming weeks with a good prize money also. That's a national level program. So you can work on a particular project, which we will provide a project, and there will be prize money for the winners, not only prize money, job offers are also there. As I mentioned earlier, there is an industry on campus program where we visit the campus and say for 30 hours or 48 hours, the students can work as if they are working in an IT company. So you can visit our social media pages and websites for the upcoming opportunities. Now coming to this internship program, some FAQs. First of all, is this a job offer? No, this is an internship program only. Is there and if you are successful in this internship program, definitely you will get jobs, not only at ipsr, many other companies also, we can support you. One of our intern completed this program, and she was working with us for 1.5 years. Now she is in Canada, working in a company there as a digital marketing expert. So there are opportunities for you. Is there any fee for the program? There is no fee. The program is completely free. Will I receive a stipend? Because the internship is free. You can earn incentives through some other programs, because if you are interested to act as an influencer, definitely we can identify opportunities for you. So there are other social media monetization opportunities again. So once you are interested in working as an influencer and you have the capability for that, definitely we can refer you to many other companies also. What is the minimum qualification? You should be a regular student enrolled in a recognized diploma, degree, or postgraduate program, or a student of ipsr. What areas does the internship cover? The internship focuses on digital marketing, including social media marketing. What is the duration of the internship? The initial internship period is 1 month, with the possibility of an extension of up to 3 additional months. That is based on the performance. Top performers may also be considered for paid internship roles when vacancies arise. How much time is required for this internship? You can work at your own pace, but a minimum commitment of 5 hours per week is required. So that is again flexible. Minimum 5 hours in a week you have to work. Will this internship affect my studies or exams? No, you can apply for leave during exams or important academic commitments and resume later. That means if in between you have exams, you can apply for a leave, and after the exams you can start from where you have stopped. What are the basic requirements for this digital marketing internship? You need an active social media presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Then a PC or smartphone with internet access is required to complete tasks and assignments. So we provide with the live task so that you can complete it as and when you get time. Maybe it is better you complete 1 week task that week itself. So every day, say, for example, in my particular day, you are busy with some other activity, you can do it in the next day. It's flexible. So that's about this program. And if you have any clarifications or any questions after the next section, you can have questions so that we can clear your doubts. So thank you.
Thank you, Mandasal. Thank you for the wonderful session. Thank you to the introduction to YAN. I think we will move on to the next session. That is going to be the details of the YAN project. This is going to be delivered by Ms. Archana Yu, who is a digital marketing team lead at ipsr Solutions Limited. Now, Archana has got over 15 plus years of industry experience. Archana is a seasoned expert, renowned for crafting and executing high impact digital marketing strategies with a proven track record of driving engagement, increasing conversions, and achieving substantial business growth. Archana's expertise spans a wide range of digital marketing disciplines, including search engine optimization, that's SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, content strategies. Archana's proven ability to elevate brand presence and lead teams to deliver exceptional results makes her a true leader in the competitive digital landscape. Over to you, Archana.
Uh, Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
And my screen is visible also?
Yes.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Um, so, I'm here to give you a basic understanding of the concept of digital marketing. Okay. So, before starting, okay, let's start with a quick question. Okay. Which social media platform do you use the most? Whether it's A, Facebook, B, Instagram, C, YouTube, D, LinkedIn, or any other, please mention it in the chat. A, B, C, D, or E. Okay, I can see a lot of Instagram users over here. See, some people are using YouTube also. Yeah. Yes. A, B, C. Okay. So you can see here, like even here, we are a live example of digital marketing audiences being spread across various channels, right? So, coming back to our topic, nowadays a large number of opportunities are hopping up in the field of digital marketing. So, to get an entry to this field, first you need to understand what exactly digital marketing is and what is so great about it. Okay, so what is digital marketing? So, in simple terms, it is marketing where customers are online. Yeah, you agree with that? Okay, now another question. So, what is the first word that comes to your mind when you hear digital marketing? Can you put it in the chat? What is the first word that comes to your mind when you hear digital marketing? Yeah, online shopping, social media ads, okay. Okay, digital platforms. Yeah, shopping. Okay, ad, digital platform, social media. Okay, online shoppings. Yeah, drop shipping. Okay, advertisement. Okay, I can see a lot of responses here. Okay, so can you guess this marketing channel? Can you guess this marketing channel? This is a marketing channel. It's a digital marketing channel. So, what is this marketing channel? Yeah, it is Google, but what is the name of the channel? Somebody? Yeah, correct. It's a search engine, right? So, what are the other search engines? We have, other than Google, we have another search engines also like Bing, Yandex, Yahoo, Baidu. So many other search engines are also there. But Google is the most popular search engine with a stunning 89.74% market share compared to the 3.97, which is in the second place. That is called Bing. Okay. So, what is a search engine? A search engine is a web based software tool that helps locate information on the internet. So when a user enters a query or something into the search engine, what happens? It looks for matching pages in its index, runs an algorithm to rank what it finds, then present a list of results, web results. This result page is also known as search engine results page, or we call it as, in short, it is SERP. Okay, now can you guess this one? This is another digital marketing channel. What is this? Now we learned about Google. Yeah. Now what is this? What digital marketing channel is this? Paid. Yeah. No. Okay. It's actually a website. Okay. Website is another digital marketing channel. Okay, so what's a website? A website is a collection of web pages grouped together using the same domain name and operated by the same person or organization. So, for example, www.ipsr.org is a website, while ipsr.org/workshop is a single web page on that website. So, we learned two digital marketing channels. One is a search engine, and another one is website. Okay, now the third one. Can you guess this digital marketing channel? This might be very easy for you guys. Yes, correct. It is social media. Okay. So, what is a social media? Social media refers to online activity where people interact with each other by sharing photos, videos, blog posts, articles, and other user generated content. So, each social media platform works differently, but most share common traits. Like, first, a person have to create an account on the platform, website, or app. Then they are encouraged to build social network of friends, followed profiles on the platform, and to curate the feed of content they see when they visit the site or open the app. Okay, so that is common in various social media platforms. Right. Now another one. Can you guess this digital marketing channel? Yeah, what is this? Yes, correct. It is email. Yeah, this is email. Email is short for electronic mail, is one of the most widely used features of the internet along with the web. It allows you to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. Right. So these are various digital marketing channels. Okay. Now, so digital marketing leverages different channels. Like we learned about what a search engine, then website, social media, emails, mobile applications. So it would give marketers the opportunity to interact with and understand their audience better and to increase the trust in the brand. So digital marketing would also show marketers advertisements to people based on their actions and preferences on the internet, and it is less expensive when compared to the traditional forms of marketing. Okay, now why digital marketing? Okay, the scope of digital marketing is already huge and it is only going to become bigger and bigger. I'll tell you why. Okay, everybody is online on their smartphones, right? Using the internet wherever in this country they are, town, city, village, internet is just spread everywhere. Now, I was reading this very interesting article and an important statistic on the website called news18.com, which said Indian youth spend 6 hours on an average per day on the internet every day. Okay, so what about you guys? How much time do you spend on the internet? We all are youth in India, right? So what do you think? How much time do you spend on internet? What do you think? 2 hours? Okay. Yeah, come on. 4 hours. Okay. 4 hours, 4 hours, just 4 hours. Okay, good. 8 hours. Okay, 24 hours. Okay, I can see 24 hours also. Okay, 7 hours. Okay, 4 to 6 hours. Yes, correct. Okay, we are all on the internet, right? So I'll show you something. Like what you need to understand in this picture is that the person in the picture, okay, is still a customer. What is this? He is a customer. And the device which the person is holding in his hand is a new marketing medium. Okay. And what are all these people doing on the internet? Okay. What are all they doing on the phone? So the research says that what people are doing on their phone is divided into two broad categories. So broad category number one, most people are spending all their time on social media websites. Okay, and broad category number two, most people are going to Google, type something on Google, and then finding a website and then doing something on that website. And that is the scope of digital marketing. And this tells you something really basic, which is that if you want to promote your website or product or business, these are the two places that you need to be popular on. Either you need to be popular on a social media website where your target audience is, or you need to ensure that when the same person goes and types something on Google related to your business, your website shows up first. Okay. Now, coming to offline marketing. In offline marketing, we won't be able to track the activities. That is one of the biggest disadvantage in offline marketing. So, what is offline marketing? So, we have brochures, pamphlet, coding. It might have reached around thousands of people, but we actually don't know how many people really opened and read that pamphlet. We're not sure how many people had read it fully, how many people have contacted you after seeing a pamphlet, which marketing investment we have got more returns, that is CPR, it's cost per return. So do you think we can track this in offline marketing? What is your opinion? Can you put it in the chat? What do you think? Do you think we can track this in offline marketing? Yeah? No, right? We can't. But in digital marketing, we can track almost everything. That is one of the biggest advantage in digital marketing. So what we can track? We can track who is visiting. We can track their location, their age group, their gender. We can track when they are visiting, the time of the day or the day of the week your audience is most active. Then we can track how they found you, whether it's through Google search, social media, email, or ads. We can track what they are clicking. You can know exactly which link, which button, or which ad they are clicking on. You can track what they like. You can measure their likes, comments, shares, and follows on social media. We can track what they buy. We can track which product or service are selling the most. You can also track their device details. Check if your audience prefers mobile, tablet, or desktop. So we can track almost everything on digital marketing. That is one of the biggest advantage. Now, another quick question. Okay, so you can drop a letter of your choice in the chat. Let's see how AI driven your daily searches are. Okay, have you used any of these platforms to find quick answers? A, Google Assistant; B, ChatGPT; C, Siri; D, Alexa; and E, no, I haven't tried any of these. Can you put a letter of your choice in the chat box? A and B. Yes. Okay. ChatGPT. B. Okay. Google Assistant. ChatGPT. Okay. Yeah. A. E. Okay. Some people have not used anything. No, I haven't tried any one of these. Okay. Okay. Meta AI. A. B. Okay. Okay. So now we'll look into the types of digital marketing. Okay, so these are the different types of digital marketing. Number one, content marketing; two, search engine optimization; three, pay per click; four, social media marketing; five, email marketing; six, affiliate marketing; seven, influencer marketing; and eight and nine, okay, that is AEO, answer engine optimization, and GEO, generative engine optimization, are highly relevant and recently included in the modern list of digital marketing types. So they represent the next gen SEO strategies focused on building visibility beyond traditional search engines. Okay, so now we'll look into the different types one by one. So the first one we learned was content marketing. So this is one type of content marketing. Can you guess what this type of content is? What type of content is this? Can you guess? Who is there to guess a correct answer? What? Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. This is a blog. So, what is a blog? A blog is an online journal or informational platform that lets individuals or organizations publish and update written content to inform, educate, or engage an audience. So, often include multimedia elements like we have images, videos, links, everything is included in this blog, and may enable comments or interactions from the readers. So, people who write blog are also known as what? Bloggers. Okay. Now the next one. Can you guess what is this? This is also a type of content marketing. What is this? Anyone to guess correctly? Okay, Google Meet. Okay, influencer. No, no. What is this? This is actually video. Okay, video is another type of content marketing. Okay, so a video is a moving visual presentation, usually with a sound, ideas or stories in a dynamic way. Videos can be captured by cameras or it can also be generated by computers or created by combining both. So they are used for education, entertainment, marketing, communication, and documentation across platforms like websites, social media, and streaming services. Okay, now this is another type of content marketing. Can you guess this? What is this? Have you uh, seen this type of content marketing? Can you guess it? Yes, correct. Okay, it is infographics. Okay, so what is infographics? An infographic is a graphic based summary that turns detailed or technical content into an easy to grasp visual story. So it combines graphics and text such as icons, charts, illustrations, and concise wording to simplify the information. So it highlights key facts or trends at a glance, so making data easier to understand and remember. So this is another type of content marketing, that is infographics. So what is content marketing? Okay, so this content marketing is a secret weapon of digital marketing. Okay, so here what you'll have to do, you'll have to create different forms of content like blogs, videos, infographics, case studies, etc. And you need to make sure that you're creating high quality and engaging content that generate the audience interest in the brand's product or service. So this is content marketing. So this is what one type of digital marketing, that is content marketing. Okay, now another type is search engine optimization, or we also call it as SEO. You might have searched something on Google. So as we learned earlier, Google is a search engine, and you might have get some results. You might have got some results, right? So optimizing your website for search engines is called search engine optimization. Okay, so what we type here, this is search keyword, and the results which we get, that is called as search results. Okay, so what you'll be doing in search engine optimization? Okay, first we'll be creating content on specific search keywords that are relevant to your target audience. Then you'll have to make optimizations on the website and also make credible website linking back to the content, that is backlink building. Okay, then you will be doing this to make the website rank on the first page of the search results. And by continuing the optimization, you can continue to improve the ranking and ultimately make the website rank on the first position. And you can do all of this without spending a single penny. Okay, so this is called search engine optimization. So this is another type of digital marketing. Okay, now, you can also drive traffic to your website with advertisements. So that is called pay per click. So, but for this, you will have to pay a certain fee each time when the ads are clicked. Okay. Now you can have text ads, okay, video ads, okay, and image ads also. Okay. And this is possible with the help of PPC. We call it as pay per click. Okay. Next is social media marketing. As you all know, a large number of audience is in social media, and to reach them, you will have to utilize the social media marketing channel. Okay, you can use social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, advertise your brand's content. You can use these to advertise brands' product or services with posts, images, videos, and more to bring up the brand story and engage with the brand's audience. Like PPC, you can also run ads on social media, okay, to advertise your brand's product or services with a text, image, and video ads. And for this, you need to pay to run ads. So this is called social media marketing. Now, to reach a more wider audience and make them revisit your website for the second time, you need to keep them engaged, nurture them, and make sure they purchase your products. For this, you could send them emails to help the audience better understand the product they visited on your website and assist them in the buying process. Okay, so you could also send emails to advertise its products or services to potential customers. So this is called email marketing. So this is another type of digital marketing. So here we use various email automation tools and techniques to make the process easy. Okay, next is affiliate marketing. So through affiliate marketing, you can get more traffic from third-party websites. So what we do here is like affiliates promote the brand or product to their audience for a certain fee, and then they earn a commission for each purchase. So this is commission-based marketing, that is called affiliate marketing. Okay. Then we also have influencer marketing. So influencers are people with many followers or fans, like bloggers, social media stars, all of them are called as influencers. So brands, what they do, they partner with influencers who have a strong reputation and a loyal following in your niche. So with this, they can access a highly engaged audience and trust the influencers' recommendations. So this can increase brands' visibility by tapping into the influencers network, reaching new customer segments. Okay. Now, next, can you guess this logo? Can you guess this logo? Somebody? Yeah? What is this logo? Yes, correct. It is Google Assistant. Okay, this is what you use daily, right? I guess most of you use Google Assistant. Okay, now let's guess this. Another easy thing, right? What is this? What is this logo? Yeah, ChatGPT. Another easy thing, right? Okay. Now this one, are you guys familiar with this? Yeah, this new logo. Are you familiar with this? Yes, correct. It is Siri. Okay. So next is answer engine optimization, which we also call it AEO in short. So optimizing your content to directly get answer queries. Okay, so that what we do in answer engine optimization, we optimize content to directly answer user queries so that it gets picked up by answer engines. Who are the answer engines? Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa. So here you will have to optimize your content to appear in AI generated answers. Okay, and we optimize what we do here. Here we optimize use like structured data. We use structured data to optimize schema markup. All these things we use here. We also optimize FAQs and direct answer format. So that is what we do in answer engine optimization. Okay, next is generative engine optimization. Okay, so what is generative engine optimization? Optimizing content for generative engines like ChatGPT and Google AI overviews. So GEO focuses on getting featured in these AI overviews. So GEO strategies ensure your content is AI friendly, trustworthy, and semantically structured. So these are the different types of digital marketing that we have learned now, and it is a very vast area, and you won't be able to complete all of this in this 1 month internship. Okay, and in this YAN internship, this is a 1 month internship program. So here we'll be covering just few of the topics like social media marketing, focusing platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. Then we have content marketing, influencer marketing, and we are also introducing various AI tools during this internship. Okay, now let me play a short video of our YAN intern. Okay.
IPSR Solutions Limited. Hi everyone, my name is Aishwarya and I'm a proud alumna of IPSR Solutions Limited. My journey with IPSR began during my second year of BCom from Vibla College, Thrissur in 2020. As a BCom student, I was learning a lot of things, but my specific interest was in marketing, especially in digital marketing. Unfortunately, this was not something my curriculum could fully cater to, and that's where IPSR and YAN made a big difference. I was selected for their free Yuva Atmanirbhar or YAN internship, which focused on digital marketing. It was completely different from what I was exposed to in college. The learning was more practical. You're not just like reading textbooks, you're working on real time projects. This learning by doing approach was the biggest advantage IPSR offered, and it played a key role in shaping my career. After completing the 1 month internship, the top performing participants were offered their digital marketing course for free. I was one among them, and I even got the opportunity to extend my internship for an entire year. This allowed me to work with IPSR by completing my studies. I was working with the digital marketing team, and I had the opportunity to work on client projects and learn through hands-on experience. It was great to associate with a multinational IT company, which gave me exposure to the corporate world and the real-time work experience. Another thing that sets IPSR apart is the career assistance it provides to its students. Every student at IPSR receives personalized career help, everything from resume preparation to mock interviews. IPSR has its own job portal which is updated daily, making it a one-stop platform for students to find opportunities. With NEP, that is the new education policy, internships have now become mandatory for all students. Programs like the one offered by IPSR are a perfect opportunity for students to fulfill this requirement while gaining invaluable experience, and this will also set them apart in the competitive job market. In my case, IPSR truly recognized and appreciated the work that I put during my internship. Even though it was initially unpaid, I received performance-based stipends, and after graduation, they offered me a full-time position as a digital marketing executive. This recognition and support made all the difference in my journey. After a very short while with IPSR, I moved to Canada for my higher studies. Today, as I'm working as a marketing manager for the Bank of Montreal in Canada, I'm really grateful for the strong foundation I received from IPSR. I'm truly proud to be an IPSRian, and I wish IPSR a wonderful Silver Jubilee. Thank you, IPSR, for everything.
Okay, so that was Aishwarya, an alumna of IPSR's YAN Digital Marketing Internship. Okay, now she is working as a marketing manager at the bank in Canada. Okay, let me present it 1 second. So now I think you got an understanding of how the YAN internship program works. So in this YAN internship, you will also get an opportunity to get global certifications from Google, LinkedIn, Amazon, etc. on various topics like digital marketing, social media marketing, digital advertising, email marketing, content marketing, and influencer marketing. So you can watch all the tutorials and get free certification from here. But if you're looking for a guided learning option, we have an advanced certification program in digital marketing with internship, which covers all of these courses on AEO, GEO, and SEO specialist course also with internship. So if any one of you are interested and you want to go for that, you can inquire the details with IPSR. Okay. Now, you will be given access to the learning management system. Okay. That is the learning management system of IPSR. Okay, through this learning management system only you will be doing the internship task. Okay, like you will be getting access to resources like video tutorials, tasks, assignments, and certificate. All will be through this learning management system. Okay, so for any support, okay, while doing your internship, you get somewhere anything, any help, you can always mail to yarn@ipsrsolutions.com. Okay, because we want you guys to successfully complete the internship and get the internship certificate. Okay. Now coming to the job opportunities in digital marketing. Okay, you could either learn all of these and become a digital marketer, or you could specialize in any areas and become a specialist in that particular topic. So there are vast opportunities available in digital marketing. Okay. Now, these are few important things to note. Okay. that is your internship dates and weekly task schedule. So internship officially begins on, like, that is today, 4th October 2025, and week 1 task will be released on 6th October, week 2 task will be released on 13th October, and it will be week by week task where you'll be internship ends on 29th November. Okay, then task submission and evaluation criteria. You must complete your task and submit it for grading in the LMS itself. Okay, task will be evaluated and graded by our team. Each task will be graded out of 100. Minimum pass mark is 50 by 100, and you will have to receive a pass grade to unlock the next week's task. Okay, and accessing the LMS. So we have already mailed your LMS login credentials to your registered mail ID. So I want all of you to please check your inbox and also your spam folder, or just in the search bar of your mail, just type in this mail ID, yan@ipsrsolutions.com. You might have got all the details with the subject internship offer letter from IPSR, your Atma Nirbhar project. Okay. Now, let me give you a brief idea of what this LMS is, what you will be doing in the LMS. Second. Okay, so you'll be given access. Okay, we have already mailed the LMS login credentials to your mail ID. Okay, so you'll be getting a username and password to enter into our learning management system. You just have to enter with your username, that is your registered mail ID, and the password provided to you inside the mail. The password is provided to you inside the mail. Okay, so this will be the YAN interface. Okay, so once you're logged in, this is how your page looks. So here you can see, once you scroll down, here you can see, one second. Okay, so here you can see the notice board. This will be available to you from 5th October only. Okay, so here you can see the important things which you have to check. Okay, you'll see the video on how to do your task in YAN internship. Okay, and you'll get announcement and notice board over here. Please check it so that you'll get the details on how to an important announcement. All these things will be available over here. Okay, then we have this YAN onboarding link. So this will be the recording of today's session. Okay, so after that, your first task will be to comment on LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, about today's session. Give feedback. You'll have to open this and give feedback on today's session. Okay, in that particular platform. Okay, and week by week tasks will be available to you. Okay, so it will be available from 6th October. Week 2 tasks will be available from 13th October. Similar way, week 4 tasks will be there. Then these are some optional tasks. Then after completing your task, you can request for your YAN internship certificate. We'll be grading your activities, checking it, and then you can download it here itself. Okay, and it can be done only on or after 27th October. Okay, and you will also have options to do free digital marketing service. This is optional task which you want, and you can also get another certificate over here, that is latest IT skills. Okay, we have a video on generative AI. Just have to watch it and attend this MCQs. Okay, and then you can download the participation certificate from here. Okay, so this is how your LMS will be. Okay, and for doing your LMS task, most of the task will be submitting the link of a particular thing which you have done with a screenshot. Okay, and that you'll be doing with a Google Doc. You'll be doing it in a Google Doc. Okay, Google Doc. One second. So what you have to do, you can either go to docs.google.in. Okay, open a new document. Okay, so whatever task which is given to you, you will have to put the screenshot of the task which you have done, name it, which task it is, week 1 task 1 or week 1 task 2, whatever it is, you need to rename it. Okay, like week 1 task. And then this is very important that you will have to set the sharing permissions. Okay, You need to change this. Anyone with a link can edit. Then only we will be able to view your task and grade it. Okay, so this is very important. So you'll have to copy this link and submit this link on the LMS platform. Okay, this link you'll be sharing it on the LMS platform. Okay, so I hope that is clear on how to do your task and things like that. So with this, we are coming to the end of today's session. Okay. So if you have any doubts, any queries regarding the internship, you can put it in the chat. Okay. And any support anytime you want, you can always mail to yan@ipsrsolutions.com. Okay. So thank you so much and wishing you best luck for your internship journey. So over to you, Sajid.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Archana. Thank you for that session. If you have any questions, you can post it out here. And you can contact, if you want any support, you can put a mail to yan@ipsrsolutions.com.
Okay, we have also put a feedback link in the chat. Okay, that is a feedback link for today's session. So what you guys have to do, that is your first task. You'll have to open that link. Okay, you can see this link over here. You'll have to open this link and put your feedback in Instagram and LinkedIn. Okay, that is the first. Okay, let's see who all are active in doing the task. Oh, wait to you, Sijan. Thank you.
All right. If you have any questions, you can put it in the chat. We'll just wait for a few minutes for any questions. Else, we will end the session for today.
From where can we access the feedback link? Yeah, it is here only. We have put it in the chat now, feedback link.
Feedback link is in the chat.
So I hope most of you have joined the WhatsApp group that we have created. If you have, any one of you have still not joined, you can put a support. Okay. So for those who have not joined the WhatsApp group, I'll put the link in the chat. Okay, you can just click on it and join the link. Okay, all your tasks, assignments, any important announcements, best performers, everything will be through communicated through that WhatsApp group. Okay. Password and username where we need to search. Okay, it will be there. We have already sent it to you in your registered mail ID. Okay, just go to Google and search, not Google, check in your mail, search in the search bar, inside your mail in the search bar, type in yan@ipsrsolutions.com and you'll find the mail from Yan, and you have your username and password over there for the LMS link also. Yes, LinkedIn feedback is necessary. Yeah, we are doing a digital marketing internship. So having an account in LinkedIn and Instagram is very important in this. And you'll have to, if you don't have an account, you'll have to create an account and put the feedback in that particular platform. That is necessary. How to do the task? It is there in the LMS. You'll have to log into your LMS to do the task. Each week task will be unlocked to you on a particular date. Okay. And then you'll have to do the task, submit the task in the LMS itself. Can you explain once more about where to find the username and password? Okay, what you have to do, go to your mail, Gmail, or whichever mail platform you're using. In the search bar, type in this mail ID, yarn, YAN, yarn at ipsrsolutions.com. Okay, search for that and you'll find the mail internship offer letter mail from that mail ID. And inside that offer letter, you'll get the link for the LMS as well as your username and password. Don't search LMS, search for yarn at ipsrsolutions.com, and from that mail ID, you might have received this LMS link and login credentials. For those which is showing invalid login, you just please wait till tomorrow and maximum till Monday. If you're still not able to log in, send a mail to yarn at ipsrsolutions.com. Okay. Okay, wait till Monday, and still if you're not able to log in, okay, what you can do, send a mail to yarn at ipsrsolutions.com. Okay. How to log into the LMS? The login credentials are shared to your registered mail ID. Okay, from the mail yarn at ipsrsolutions.com.
All right, I think there are no more questions. They just asking about LMS. Yes, all your tasks and assignments are there in the LMS. Okay. If you have any issues with your login, please send a mail to yarn at ipsrsolutions.com.
right?
You have anything else from your side, Archana? Else
No, that's
all right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everybody,
Thank
for joining this session. We will end the session for today. The rest of the tasks and assignments will be communicated to you through the WhatsApp channel. And also, you have to do it all the activities in the LMS. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you again.